You searched how to buy shares of Yunji Inc. Yunji is a membership-based e-commerce company that sells groceries and household goods and is listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker YJ. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To purchase YJ, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify the account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the broker's search bar and type the ticker YJ to locate Yunji Inc. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing to reach the correct stock page. On the stock page, review the basic company profile and the price chart to see recent movement. Confirm the company name, exchange listed as NASDAQ, and ticker YJ to ensure this is the right asset. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review and confirm the order details before submitting. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as pending, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to deposit more before confirming. Once an order is executed, your Yunji position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A helpful link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.